Okay, I have a weapon and I'm not taking any chances. Let's go. If I have made something that I would never use. Okay, let's go. I am gonna use that guy to make I am gonna use that guy when he comes in. I'm gonna unlock the door right now. He's gonna make no sync right now. He's gonna make no sync. And I'm sorry for guys. I'm sorry for closing the mic. And he's never gonna make any responsibility. Let's go. I'm here. I'm little here. He's right there. I literally hear him. And I see a green little bird. That better be you. And I'm not gonna look backwards because I'm too scared. What's that not? Boys. Ah! Oh, frick! Who's there? Hello. You have synced. Oh my god. You have made me a decision. Do I kill you or not? Why are you asking me? I have made a decision. If I have killed you, would you not use this gun? Would you use this sword? I'm trying to make you think if I use this gun, this sword. Why do you say this? Oh, I don't even know. I don't know if I say this. Buddy, don't make me make you I'm too scared, bro. Just shut the freak up. Like, who the freak cares? Who the freak, like, does anybody care? Like, I'm gonna break this play out of you right now. Go, mommy. You know, I'm gonna break this cup out of you. I'm gonna break this cup out of you. And I'm gonna break this cup. Freak. No. I am not taking any chances. Like, let me break those two at you right now. Let me break those two right now at you right now. Just like. Do not go in. I'm making an incident. Ah! Bro, stop. You're so annoying. I'm gonna break you. Ah! Love it! No! You need to cost me some. Just died. I think the betrayed minion is happy now. Yeah, the betrayed minion is happy. Eggman nigga! You think me? You think me, huh? You think me, huh? You think me? You think me? I'm scared of you? No. No. Huh? Huh? Oh, you serious right now? Didn't I tell you you're gonna die? You're gonna die right now. I'm sorry, bro. What? If you're gonna kill me, I'm gonna kill you. Buddy, I have this weapon. Don't make me do it. Like, don't make me do it right now. Like, I am not seriously, like, not, like, joking right now. I am not joking. Like, I am not joking right now. I feel like, make anything, make anything, like, broken things, like, something. I am gonna shoot you with this charger right now. Like, I am not taking chances right now. If you think that I will kill you, yeah. And what is this? And what is this? Yeah. I don't think, bro. I think this like in 15 minutes. I think this in 15 minutes I come back. Look at my brain. You think? You think? I will. No. I'm gonna get a distant shot. Heck no! How did you touch that? I guess I'm the goat. Ah! Ow, motherfucker! What is the? What the die? Wait! You love this? You love making me break stuff? You love me break stuff right now. Goodbye. And I do not think so. Right now. Because I will make my house disappear. Let's all get out of the house. Let's get all out of the house. You, right now, you think. I will think you right now. Because I do not think. And I'm not your friend. I don't even know who you are. But I do know who you are. You're my friend Pumpkin. And you didn't even ask about me. You didn't even call me. You didn't even call me when I told you so. And you don't even want to talk to me. You don't even want to see me right now. Just think, oh, one tap. Oh, I think Melon. No, I'm not going to talk to him. You think me. You think I am an idiot? No, buddy. I'm a smart little motherfucker bitch. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for swearing right now. But if you think one more time right now, because I do not think you can do, do not call me, make you like you're a 6'7" kid or something like that, or 777, or you're like in Jesus or God or Allah or something like that. Because I do not think you are a childish man. Now, die. Let's go. You think me once is like a good man? No. Huh? You think I got aura? No. I do not have aura. And I do not think if I have aura. Ah! You think so? You absolutely think so! You absolutely died! You absolutely made me die! And I could cut you into pieces less to less to make you die. And we were going on a different place. I'm gonna revive you. 3 minutes later. Now you think I am a little good man. I will make you not see me. You're gonna get burned as heck. You're gonna walk in there, burn like a little meat, die. You're gonna be like someone that you're gonna be like Michael Jackson or Frankel Jackson or Shahari Jackson or something like that. You're gonna die. See that little hole on your neck? That hole is gonna make you die. In your neck, and your thing right there is gonna get removed. It's gonna get removed by the knife option. And I do not think so that I would kill you right now. But I need to kill somebody that would not think about. Buddy, you think I'm an idiot right now? No. I think that you should help me and and you need to be useful or be stuff right now. But you think that I'm no, I am not an idiot. I know everything about you right now. You think me as an idiot? No. I can make you burn. I can make you die with water. I can make you die of thirst. I can make you die of hunger. This little lava piece right there, and this lava piece, this The red one is gonna make you burn. So you think that I am an idiot? No. So, you made me die several times. You didn't help me. Like, Hebrew incident, part 2, cough incident, question mark incident, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, I don't even know. Unpicked indoor incident number 2. And you think this is the number 2 of cough incident. You think I'm a little idiot? No, you're gonna get kicked by the lava. If people are waiting, okay, I'm sorry. Ah! Huh? Ah! 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 You think that I am an idiot right now, and I killed you right now. You think that I'm an idiot? No. I said that like a lot of times. And you think I'm a super bitch, no thing, and you be useless right now, mobile. You think that I am a bitch right now. I am not a bitch. I make some good videos. I make the narrator makes the incident, and you don't help me right now. No, bro. You're gonna get your hand cut right now. I think that's like here. Your hand has been cut. You think that? No, buddy. Bye.